Hi children, let us see our new chapter, chapter 12, exponents and powers. Okay, it is a continuation. In class 7 you have learned exponents and powers. It is a continuation in 8th standard. Okay children, let us now start our chapter, exponents and powers. Children, let us see laws of exponents. You have learned in class 7 laws of exponents. So let us recall that. Okay, so first law, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So let us see an example, that is 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 5. 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 5 means what you will do? 3 raised to 2 plus 5, that is equal to 3 raised to 7. Yes, same way a raised to m divided by a raised to m means division means you will do subtraction. Multiplication means you will do addition. A raised to m divided by a raised to n means a raised to m minus n. So let us see the example. 3 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 2. So what you will do? 5 minus 2. Subtraction you will do. So 3 raised to 3 you will get. So you will find the answer like 3 into 3 into 3 you will do, that 27 you will get the answer as. Okay. Find the value means you will do it like that. Now a raised to n whole raised to n. There it is multiplication. Bracket is coming means it is multiplication. So a raised to m whole raised to n means it is a raised to m into n. Let us see the example. 3 raised to 2 whole raised to 5. So what you will do? 2 into 5. So 3 raised to 10 you will get. This you have learned in class 7. Now a raised to ab whole raised to n. ab whole raised to n means a raised to n into b raised to n. N is common for a and b. N is common for a and b. So a raised to n into b raised to n. So for example, 3 into 4 whole square means it is 3 square into 4 square. 3 into 4 whole square means it is 3 square into 4 square. Okay, then you should find the value. If it is asked find the value means 3 3s are 9 you will do, 4 4s are 16 you will do, and you will multiply. Okay, then you will find the value of that. Now same way, a by b whole raised to n is equal to, it is n is common for both a and b. So a raised to n divided by b raised to n. Okay, so when it is example 3 by 4 whole square means it is 3 square by 4 square. 3 by 4 whole square means 2 is common for 3 and also for 4. So 3 square by 4 square. Okay, now next law, 6th. This is the new law which you are going to learn in 8th standard. This is only the new one, that is a by b whole raised to minus n. Okay, minus n if it is coming, how to change to positive? Negative should be changed to positive. So how to do that? You can take its reciprocal, that is a by b whole raised to minus n means you will take the reciprocal and write, and you will write it as b by a whole raised to n. b by a whole raised to n you will write. Okay, so example how to do? 3 by 4 whole raised to minus 2. Minus 2 means what you will do? To change the minus sign to the positive, change the negative sign to positive, you will take its reciprocal. 3 by 4 will be written as 4 by 3 whole square. Okay. Now next one, last one, a raised to minus n divided by b raised to minus m. Okay, so you want to change the negative into positive. You want to change the negative into positive means what you will do? You will take the reciprocal. So 3 raised to minus 2 divided by 4 raised to minus 5 means what you will do is you will take the reciprocal. 4 will go to the numerator and 3 will come to the denominator. At that time the negative powers will change to positive powers. When it is positive powers, you can just multiply it and find the answer. These are the laws of exponents. Only the negative sign part you are learning it this time. The other all laws you have learned in class 7. Only negative sign, that is 6th and 7th law only you are learning it this time in class 8. Okay children, now let us see exercise problem and few other example problems. Okay children, let us see an example problem where there is multiplication used and the powers are negative. Okay, 3 raised to minus 2 into 2 raised to minus 3. So it is multiplication. So what you are going to do? So multiplication it is, and the powers are in negative. Powers should be converted into positive. So what you will do? You will take its reciprocal. This 3 raised to minus 2 can be written as 1 by 3 square into this 2 raised to minus 3 can be written as 1 by 2 raised to 3. Okay. Now as usual you can do 1 by 3 3s are 9 into 1 by 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8, like this. Now numerator into numerator, 1 into 1 equal to 1. 9 into 8, 9 8s are 72. You can write it like this. Okay. This is how you will do the problem. Okay, let us see the solution now. Okay. So 1 by 9 into 1 by 8 equal to 1 by 72. Got it? So children, here division. Okay. 5 raised to minus 2 divided by 10 raised to minus 2. So I told that negative powers will be changed to the positive when you take the reciprocal of it. Okay. So 5 raised to minus 2 means it can be taken, you can take its reciprocal, that is 1 by 5 raised to 2. Okay, 1 by 5 square. Negative turned to positive when you took the reciprocal. Same way 10 raised to minus 2. So you are taking its reciprocal. Then it will go to the numerator part. So it will be 10 raised to 2 divided by 1. So now it is in a familiar way, that is 10 square divided by 5 square. Okay, so 10 square divided by 5 square, you can do it as 10 square equal to 100 and 5 square equal to 25. You can divide and find the answer. Got it? This is the way to do the negative powers. Now let us see the exercise part. Children, in this problems you can find two methods, A part and the other one. Same problem in left hand side and right hand side, they have done it in different way. So A question, that is 3 raised to minus 2. That means you can do it as, to change the negative into positive power, you can do it as 1 by 3 square, that is equal to 1 by 9. Like that you can do. Or it can be taken as whole, that is left hand side. You can take like this, that is 3 raised to minus 2 means 1 by 3 whole square. You can take it like that. Then again you will get the same answer. So however you are doing, you will get the same answer. Here B question, 2 raised to minus 3 means it will be 1 by 2 raised to 3, that is equal to 1 by 8. Like that you can do. Or you can do it as this side, right hand side, like 1 by 2 whole raised to 3. That is also 1 by 8. Same way you are doing. Okay. Say like C question, 2 by 3 whole raised to minus 4 means you are taking its reciprocal in the right hand side and you are taking the other way, 1 by 2 by 3 whole raised to 4. So that can be written. You are finding the answer, then you are taking the reciprocal. That can be done. Or the other way, right hand side, what it is done is 2 by 3 whole raised to minus 4 means you are taking the reciprocal, that is you are writing it as 3 by 2. Then the power will change to positive. Then you can do it as usual. Got it children? So let us see the exercise problem now.